Inkscape Tutorial Drawing. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Inkscape and begin by launching the program on your computer. Create a new document to prepare your workspace for drawing. Import a reference image that you want to trace, then lower the opacity of the reference so it becomes faint and easier to draw over. Lock the reference layer to prevent accidental movement while working. Create a new layer specifically for your drawing so your lines stay organized. Select the Bezier tool to start tracing the main shape. Begin with the head outline, using simple curves instead of complex lines for better control. Close the path once the head shape is complete, then fill it with a base color. Draw the ears using the Bezier tool, keeping them consistent. Combine the shapes if needed so they form a single object. Draw the eyes as simple shapes, then fill them with red color. Add black pupils inside the eyes for detail. Draw the mouth outline, then create separate shapes for the teeth. Fill the teeth with white to make them stand out. Draw the arms and legs, keeping all shapes simple and rounded for a clean cartoon style. Add spikes on the head as extra details to enhance the character. Select all shapes once everything is drawn. Add a stroke to the selection, then set the stroke color to black for clear outlines. Increase the stroke width until the lines are visible and balanced. Use the node tool to refine curves and adjust any uneven lines for smoother results. Group all objects together to keep the artwork organized and easy to move. Finally, export the finished illustration as a PNG or SVG file so it can be used digitally or shared online. Ensure you choose the correct export settings such as resolution and file size before saving the final output. Review the entire drawing carefully to confirm all shapes are aligned properly and colors are consistent. Make small adjustments if necessary to improve the overall appearance. Save your Inkscape file as an editable document so you can return and modify it later if needed.